Alright, today guys I'm just going to show you a couple of little tools that we have available online here at Online Auto Parts. Now these tools I'm going to show you a really good tool to if you're doing any steering jobs, so if you're removing any lower ball joints, upper ball joints, turret ends, idler arms, this is the sort of tool that you're going to want in your workshop to make this job easier. So we have the little small turret end and ball joint separator. This little one here is good for any little tiny sort of jobs and mainly your smaller vehicles like your little MX-5s and Toyota Echoes. We've got the larger style of this one here. The good thing about these, they have a little bolt and press. This one here is the larger style. Do it more for your forward drives and Commodores and everything like that. And then at the back here we've got the hammer style separators. So all these tools are a King branded tool. They're a great quality Taiwanese made product, and you can find all these available at onlineautoparts.com.au. So when you've got it set up in the vehicle, this is on the turret end, so you want to loosen your turret end nut all the way off. Grab your lower part with the opening in it. You want that to go where the boot is, underneath the hub. Tighten this bolt. You want to use a single hex socket and press this apart and tighten it. The more you tighten it, and it'll actually release this ball joint out of it. Saves you hitting it with a hammer or anything like that, and it's out of there. Good thing with this larger one, gives you two settings for higher and or lower, depending on what the size of the ball joint and the hub that you're working on. Now this is a hammer style one. Sometimes you're not going to be able to use this in every application. A note to do with using this style is if you're going to reuse your turret ends, I'd suggest not using the hammer style one because you will damage these boots, and you can't just buy the replacement boots, you actually buy a turret end. So this one's the same. Loosen off your nut, don't take it all the way off using this one. Straight into where the boot is and hit it with a large style hammer until it releases the turret end. Same process as with the ball joints on all those tools there. You'll find all these King tools available at onlineautoparts.com.au.